Hello and welcome to all of our viewers from around the world. We have quite a game in prospect here, just waiting for the players to emerge, and we will be underway. And here we have Monaco against Nice. Well, I'm Peter Drury, and I'm joined in the commentary box by the familiar figure of Jim Beglin.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Drury, and hello to everyone.
So the two starting lineups. There's the whistle, and here we go. Passes it through. Tries a through ball. Tried to play it through.
Well, he simply failed to just put a little more oomph behind that.
It's a promising run he's making on the right. Now the pass. And the ball is out of play. It's a long forward pass. Looks to slip it through. Cut out in the nick of time. Looks like a good ball through. Played out to the right. Deftly done. Spoon forward. Tries a through ball. Aimed long and direct. Goes wide. Now here's the through ball. Dante cuts it out. Good clearance and very necessary. Pretty cagey early on from both sides. Forward it goes. There will be a throw-in. Ball's out on the left now. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Pings it in. He'll have a dip! It goes to show he is human after all.
I think when you're in front of goal like that, you really should do better. That's a poor finish in the end.
Managed to get it away. Gets it back. Dashing forward at pace. Looks to slip it through. No change to the score. 0-0 it remains. Who's going to make this theirs? Now the pass. And through to the goalkeeper. He's making good use of his strength there, just refuses to be out-muscled. Just coming up to the 30-minute mark. Pumps it forwards. A chance! Keeps everyone guessing. Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that.
Yeah, it wouldn't have been the most eye-catching goal we'd seen. Ultimately, the numbers prevented him from scrambling it in.
Gone back to the keeper. Cuts it back. Driving on now, what can they conjure from here? Passes it through. Nice have a free kick. He's having a go. Denied by a great piece of goalkeeping.
Well, what a tester for the goalkeeper, because it was struck with real venom, and I thought he dealt with it really well.
Looks like a good ball through. And that's a goal kick. Battles to win it back. Passes it through. And shoots! Oh, surely that deserved better.
Oh, he can't be happy missing that after being put clean through. That's about as good a chance as you can get.
Tries a long pass towards the front. Good challenge, he just stood firm. And the whistle goes for half-time. So they head in no further forward. The score here, still 0-0. And the second half gets underway.
Monaco can feel really happy with themselves. The scoreline doesn't back it up, but they've played with urgency and purpose and can't afford to lose patience in this second half. They've got to persevere.
Pogba. That's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Steered out wide, and he's made certain that won't get through. Well played, he saw that coming. Pumps it upfield. Pogba. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Lobs it in gently. And out to safety. Oh, the ball's come loose! Tries to get it forward quickly. Well, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Well positioned to make that interception. Oh, he's broken through. Big chance! One-on-one! And in it goes! First blood drawn.
Oh, look, it's always great to see a solo effort with a goal. It's the ideal combination of pace and control.
Monaco break the deadlock.
Look, experienced voices need to be heard now, along with good purpose and urgency, and they can get right back into this.
Out to the flank. Now here's the through ball. Away from immediate danger. Back to the keeper and go again. It's a good run down the right. Where could this lead? Played out to the wing. Monaco have themselves a corner, I think. Yes, they do. Who's going to make this theirs? Boots it upfield. Crunching tackle. I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Early ball.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, his instinct and the timing of his runs have proven fruitful, but they have to give him a harder time like that.
He's made sure that that won't get through. Nice are leaving men forward, threatening to break.
Well, if they're not putting the work in by getting back, they have to deliver with this tactic.
Dante, good idea, just poorly executed.
That's good defence, plain and simple, good defence. They refuse to allow a turn.
So what now? Monaco just have to run down the clock. Nothing wrong with that tackle, ball won cleanly. No, that's not the ball he wanted. It's a corner. Goalkeeper's ball. And that has put paid to that. Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. The final whistle. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny, just a goal in it, but that was enough. The end of the game. Reflections?
Monaco made their intentions clear that nothing else but a win would do. These games are always tough, you know, it's not always about form, it's not always about class or style, it's about pride, and they showed loads of that. Their attitude was spot on today.
So just time for me to say thanks to Jim for his wisdom and to wish you all a very good evening.